In primetime news this evening, 50-year wait over. Man lost in penal system faces the court for the first time after charges were laid in 1970. Justice promised. Government assures thorough investigation into shooting death of man in St. Mary. Samuda and Henry appointed. Prime Minister Holness taps veteran politicians to take up key ministries ahead of election. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on the appointment of Carl Samuda as Education, Youth and Information Minister and Mike Henry as Labour and Social Security Minister?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.